So welcome to this lesson on HTML and what HTML is, the language of the web pages, if you like. And so I'm going to go through the basics of HTML, and you're going to create your own little web page today. So I'm just going to show you a little introduction into HTML, and we're going to be using this website called W3 Schools. So W3 Schools, and we're going to use this program to create our first website. But just to tell you what a website is, so a website is effectively just a collection of tags which construct the page. So I'm taking here the BBC website, and if you go on any web page, which you can quite happily do, and you press the F12 key on your keyboard, you will get a list of all the commands, a list of the script on the website. So you've got these different performances here. We're not worried too much about that. We're just going to focus on the elements. And all these little things here are called tags. And each tag tells the page how to be constructed. And if you can, there's some interesting things that you can do here. So you can go through the web page and you can change, well, let's see, I want to use that little, I'm going to look at that tag there, and I can change the title. So welcome to my website. And you can do little funny things there where you can change the content of the website and so forth. So they're the tags. That's what makes up a web page. So what I want to look at now is we're going to create our own web page. So first of all, I'm going to introduce you to tags. So I'm just going to look at this example here from the W3 Schools website. And on here, so let me close this tag. Okay. So what I'm going to show you here, this is a simple web page over here. And this tag here tells us that is the beginning of the web page. And each tag, as you notice, has a less than sign and a greater than sign to say that is the opening tag. For every opening tag, you must have a closing tag. And we do the closing tag by putting a / before the tag name. So this is your opening tag. You'll notice that there's a corresponding closing tag. We also have the head tag there. Again, a corresponding closing tag. Title, again, corresponding closing title, and then body, and then we've got h1, again a closing tag, and so forth. So if I go through each one, so HTML says beginning of the page. Head is saying, well, okay, this is the page title, which will appear in the tab at the top. Title it's the title. Body saying this is the body of the web page. H1 is what we call a heading tag. So there are H1, H2, H3, H4. So we say this is our heading and we close it. Now, what I can to demonstrate to you how it changes, if I do a heading 2, so it's slightly smaller than a heading 1, run it, you'll notice that the heading is a bit smaller. P stands for paragraph. So we've got an open P and a closing P. And if you notice, if I type in some example text there, hello, this is an example text, and I run it, you will see that it comes up on the page there. So that is what is a very basic HTML document. And next bit, I'm going to show you how we're going to create our own in Notepad, save it to a file, and open it in a browser.